Hey guys, good morning. So today we're gonna start a full day of eating, okay? And it's about 6:30 and I'm gonna have just a regular cup of coffee today. I'm only gonna have one and then we're gonna go ahead and try to hit the gym pretty early. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just I'm gonna take my coffee. I ran out of that really good Starbucks one, you know, the cinnamon dolce one. This is just the cafe, I think Cafe Bustelo. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna have. And then I picked up some of these, I forget the name of these, how do you say it? Pyuri? I don't know. But yeah, some of these organic stevia packets. So yeah, so I'm gonna put a couple of these in my coffee with about 30 grams of half and half, which is 1 carb. And I'm gonna watch the news and take my dog for a walk. And then we're gonna go to the gym today. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my coffee and get this day started early because we are expected to hit about 90. So I wanna like get up and about before it gets real hot out there. So, all right, let's have some coffee, honey. Okay, so I'm drinking my coffee and I'm catching up on this week's episode. Do you guys watch this? Comment down below if you watch Big Little Lies. Big Little Lies and Handmaid's Tale are everything for me right now, but all right. Okay guys, I'm gonna start on my breakfast. It's 9:11 and I was gonna go to the gym first, but I got caught up in that freaking show, The Big Little Lies, and now I'm starving. So I'm gonna eat before I go to the gym. But what I'm gonna have is a feta omelet. A little different here. I got this President Feta crumbles from Costco. So for 1 ounce is 1 carb, and right here is 2 ounces. So we're going to have that with some eggs, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the damn thing. So we are doing. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some Louisiana hot sauce on there because Louisiana hot sauce is life with feta cheese. Put me a little bit. And I'm gonna top it with a little bit of pure sea salt. I'm gonna grab me one of these tomorrow wraps. These are the 3 net carb ones. My mom used to make this Greek spaghetti recipe and it was so good because she would fry feta cheese in it. I should try to recreate that low carb. That was like my jam. And yeah, so here is breakfast. So grand total of 5 carbs, 3 for this, 2 for that. So 2 for the cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and have me a water. I'm gonna have this and then watch the news and then go ahead and start my day. All right guys, I'm getting ready to go to the gym and like, I got my gym clothes on, hey. But anyways, I'm gonna wash my face. A company sent this over to me and I was like really kind of stoked to use it out. I've been using it for, I think now is like my 2nd or 3rd week, but it's this Radiant Spin Care System. So it comes with 4 different brushes, like this body brush. I love this one. I recently just used it on like my legs because you know I got that real bad sunburn and I wanted to make sure I got like any of like the real dry skin off. And I was also really excited because I do self tan, so like for my knees and my elbows and stuff, so your girl won't be looking all crusty. So that, and then this one is for your feet, and I legit use this because I don't go and get pedicures all that often, maybe like twice a summer. And I just try to keep up with everything at home, but this has like that stone on it and it really buffs out, you know, the crusties off the bottom of your feet, so you guys have them smooth baby feet. But yeah, so that, and then they have like, what is it, a facial cleansing and an exfoliating one. This is the cleansing It's the softer one. And then right now I'm using the exfoliating one. It's battery operated. You just go ahead and do one of those. But when I got sunburn, everybody suggested to try Noxema on the sunburn to take like the red and the heat out, and this legit was a lifesaver. So if you guys are experiencing any sunburn, go ahead and pick yourself some up. But since I have all this, I've been using it to wash my face because it's currently $19.98. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to, let's see here, we like vlogging today too. I'm gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna put just some lotion on, and we're gonna make my pre-workout, and we are gonna go to the gym. I'm running late. I was waiting for a phone call, but they did not realize I was on Central Standard Time, so the phone call wasn't actually coming in until 1 o'clock. So I got time. I'm gonna go. All right, let's get gym ready, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my pre-workout. As always, I'm gonna use some AMINO Energy. I'm gonna do 3 scoops of this bad boy, but like if I had a bang on hand, I would totally rather do that. But I didn't want to spend any extra money right now. But I love using those as my pre-workout. It is like such a good pump. Really, really like them. But yeah, so 3 scoops of that. This is, I get mine at Costco. I'll try to link as much stuff down below. This is the Juicy Strawberry Burst. But yeah, so we're gonna do a pre-workout. Give it a little shake. It tastes really good. I try to drink it rather quickly so it gets in there and gets me working. And then we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna make some ice water with a little bit of Mio in it. This one is my jam. I don't know if you guys ever tried this. This is the strawberry watermelon. Love, 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 love this. So yeah, I'm gonna give myself some of this for the gym to take as my drink because it's gonna be like super duper hot. But yeah, so let's get gym ready. All right, it's hot. Let's really turn this down. Just finished my workout, and yeah, it was good. It was a good leg day. I'm done. I am ready to start the rest of my day. These people are watching me vlog. They probably think I'm crazy, but yeah, so I did the elliptical. I did hip abductors and I don't know, hamstrings, and I don't know, I did a bunch of stuff, mostly all with machines though. So one day I'll do a bunch of legs just with machines, and then I'll do like squats and use a lot of the like I forget what that's called. Damn, I'm really bad at this, but like the weights on the machines, and I'll do like kickbacks and stuff. So now I'm gonna go home. I actually have to go to like Staples or something and print out a return slip for some clothing because some of the stuff didn't fit, so they have to send it back. And yeah, I'm probably gonna go home and pick up the kids and take them with me, and because I want to go and like get some stuff from the grocery store. So I'll see you when I get home. Let's go get our post-workout snack. All right, time for my post-workout snack. Guys, I got these bars and I've been keeping them in the fridge hidden, and we have raspberry chocolate. These are the Built bars, and mint chocolate. I'm gonna go with raspberry. I am excited for these. So anyways, these are the Built bars. I absolutely love how good these are. And people say to either warm them up and you can eat them with a spoon. I might try that with a mint one, but I like them cold. And here are the macros, but I'm gonna show you. So total carbs is, gosh, I hope you could see that. Okay, total carbs is 13, but it has like all this fiber and it has that erythritol in it. So total net carbs is 5 carbs. So they are so good. I had a lot more, but my dad came over and he ate 2 of them over the weekend at Ray's graduation party. He loves them, by the way. But yeah, they're really, really good. I'm gonna take a bite so you guys can see them. Okay, here is what they look like. So they're a pretty good size. Like, let me show you in my hand here. That looks kind of gross, but yeah. So they're like a decent size. I'm gonna take a bite. So that was, oh, these are really good. Hell yeah. So that's the inside. They are so freaking good. I tried the orange, the vanilla, and coconut. Coconut was really good too. So I think that was it. So yeah, there you go. Let me see if I can get them to give me a discount code for you guys. Oh, I'm gonna wet from my mouth. But let me see if I can get them to give you a discount code. But guys, freaking good. So freaking good. Like, so damn good. Like, I would eat these things all day long if I could. But alright, I'm gonna finish shoving my face and I will check in with you guys later. Alright, so I'm gonna have like a little snack. It should be, it's about 1:30 and I had breakfast at 9. And then I had my protein bar not too long ago, maybe about half an hour ago, but I'm still hungry. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna snack on right now. I might kind of throw something else with it. But this is cauliflower rice. This is homemade. And what I put in here was a little bit of sour cream and some butter and some Parmesan cheese. And it's really, really good. And yeah, so I'm going to top this and I might put something else with it. I don't know. I'll show you when it's all done. But really, really easy. So I just boiled the heads of cauliflower in water, and then I waited for them. You know, you don't want them like mushy, like a mashed potato, but enough to where you can kind of just crumble them up. And I used a hand mixer to crumble them and like rice them. So yeah, it was pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself some of this. I'll show you everything. I'll plate it up when I kind of figure it out, but really easy. And this was leftovers from yesterday's dinner. All right, so after I searched the fridge, I remembered that we had Mississippi pot roast last night, and we actually had a little bit left. So usually even like, it doesn't seem like a lot left, like in the bottom, you know, like the dish when you're cleaning up. But I always keep a little, like, you know, some people will just be like, oh, that's not enough, just toss it out. I always keep it, and then I always add it to make like a bigger lunch or something. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'll probably end up sharing it with my kids because, you know, they home and they mooch, and even though they can eat everything, like those delicious peaches and or nectarines and mangoes, that's the one thing I miss, like, about like not eating keto, like, is fruit. I love fruit, especially during the summer. But anyways, this is what we're gonna have. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of relax and just get my day started. I still have to do some errands, so yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. So when I went to the store yesterday, I had found some fresh mint, and I thought, like, what better way, because it's supposed to get really hot, and then have some like detox water. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean this lemon. I'm gonna slice that. I have a English cucumber and some mint, and I'm gonna put it in this little pitcher. Let me show you the pitcher. I went to the Dollar Tree and they didn't have one, so I got this little bougie one here from Target, but all their, like, whatever this brand is, I don't know, Sun Squad stuff is, this was $6. You guys see, but it was 20% off, so I paid $4.80 for it. But yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up and then make myself some water. Alright, so here is that fresh mint. And what I do, guys, to keep it fresh, let me show you, is I go ahead and take a like damp paper towel and I wrap it around it and I leave it in the bag so it doesn't get like gross. Nice, keep it in the fridge. And then we'll just give it a stir here. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for a little bit, let everything kind of melt together. So that's what it's looking like. So we have lemon, mint, and cucumber. So really great for detoxing and also for hydration. And it just gives the everyday water a little fling, a little something. So all right, it's like almost 4 o'clock, guys, and that lunch I had was really, really heavy. Anyways, it's almost 4 o'clock. That lunch I had was really heavy. I'm not really hungry. I was gonna make something like bigger, but it's like warmer and we're just not really that hungry, so we might just have like sandwiches tonight and call it a day. And then tomorrow we're gonna go swimming to my mom, so I think we're just gonna make burgers and use that ground beef I defrosted. So I'm just gonna hang out right now, and I actually think I know what I want. a little sweet treat. Let me show you. I hide it because my kids will eat everything on me. If you guys have never seen this before, it is so freaking good. It is like sugar-free Jello, and I mean it does have like sugar alcohols in it, so it's like dirty keto, but y'all know I'm the queen of dirty keto. Anyways, let me show you the nutrition. So there you go. It has 2 carbs, but it has 2 sugar alcohols, 2 protein, 2 fat. It's really good, and it's cold, and it just hits the spot. So I think I'm gonna snack on a little bit of this, and then I don't know, maybe I'll catch up with you when I eat something for dinner. But this is going to be my little snack, looking like a snack. Okay, so I'm having a wrap here. I could probably like wrap it up and like do something creative, so let's do that shit right now. Here we go. I should make Leo do this because you know Leo likes to make it look all fancy. But anyways, here's what's for dinner. We're having a sandwich wrap. So 3 carbs for this. I have an ounce of cheese, so it's less than 1 carb per ounce. So I did just 1 carb just to round it up. And then salami, ham, a little bit, half a tablespoon of mayonnaise and some mustard. Okay, so then over here I have some chopped up cucumbers, and this is gonna be our side. So I'm gonna take a fresh lemon, or lime, I'm sorry. I'm gonna show you. Mostly everybody has seen this before, but this is like a really good summertime snack as well. So we're gonna go ahead, cut our limon, and we're going to squeeze it. And you just wanna pretty much just coat all the cucumbers. Since I have, this one's pretty juicy, I'm gonna just only use a half of a lime. And then I go like this. And then we're gonna take the star of our show here. This is TAJIN. You can find this in like your ethnic aisle, like your Hispanic aisle, and then you just coat it. And yeah. So there you go. I'm gonna have some cucumbers with lime and TAJIN, and then a wrap, and that is going to wrap up a full day of what I eat on keto. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap that up, and let's do like a live carb count. So for breakfast, it was 3 carbs for the wrap, plus 2 for the cheese, bringing that to 5. I've had 1 cup of coffee for 1 carb, because I used 2 tablespoons of half and half, bringing that to 6 carbs. And then the protein bar that I had was 5 carbs. So that protein bar that I had was 5 carbs, so that's a grand total of 11 carbs. And then I had the Mississippi pot roast with the leftover like cauliflower. Just because I did put a little bit of sour cream, I am going to count that for 1. So I believe that was 12. If I'm messing this up somewhere, I'll like fix it on the screen. And then 3 carbs for another wrap, and 1 for, so that's 4. So 16 carbs, about 16-ish carbs for the day. That's looking real good, honey. And like I said, these are like real easy meals. The Jello was free too. So yeah, these are like real easy, quick things to have. Especially like in summer when you don't really feel like doing much. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. Your girl just hit 20K, so we got some good stuff coming your way. But yeah, so sky's the limit, guys. And honestly, I don't think I would be even here. I know I wouldn't be here without you guys. So I appreciate Benny. So I appreciate you guys being part of my family and just being my people and being friends, because we friends around here. We real friends. And I love you guys so freaking much. So another thing, disclaimer, this is dirty lazy keto. It's dirty and lazy, okay? So I know a lot of people might, you know, ask for stuff in the comments, but that's how we do it around here. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you so much. Bye, friends.